Hello, everyone. Today, we'd like to demonstrate how to complete the theme and variations question on an LMusTCL paper. This theme comes from 2017 C. First of all, we need to harmonize the melody, and then we need to write two piano variations based on this melody. Let's look at the theme. This theme is quite simple. It's in 3/4 time in C major. There are two phrases. The first one ends on dominant and the second one ends on tonic. So after we determine on the cadences, we can harmonize the melody. As you can tell, the first two bars are tonic to dominant, and they are repeated. The second 4 bars goes to the imperfect cadence. Here we should think of circle fifth progression. Usually for imperfect cadence, we would use secondary function 5 of 5 instead of the diatonic 2 to 5 to create more tension. The second phrase is quite interesting. You can probably tell that bars 9 to 10 and bars 11 to 12 are very similar. In fact, they are sequence. If bars 11 to 12 are 5 to 1 in C major, then bars 9 to 10 will be a step higher. It will be 5 to 1 in D minor. Again, we should think of circle fifth progression for sequence 6, 2, 5, 1. In this case, the submedian will be 5 of 2. Do you notice that I'm using first inversion of the secondary dominant again to create a smoother voice leading in the bass? Now, the ending is perfect cadence. Here, the cadential 6/4 is expected. Let's listen to this harmonization. Okay, now here's the theme. Here's the first variation. Okay, since the meter is in 3/4, the easiest way to do a variation is to turn this into a waltz. Here we use the same chord progression, embellish the melody, and use a waltz pattern in the left hand. So that's how it looks like. Let's hear how it sounds. Okay, now the second variation must be contrasting to the first variation. Here we can change the meter. We change to 2/4 and create a new rhythmic pattern based on the same melody. If you notice that the notes are exactly the same, it's just the rhythm has changed. The left hand accompaniment is now in broken chord instead of the chords we use in the waltz pattern. Also, the overall register is higher and the texture is lighter. So let's hear how it sounds. Okay, what do you think? Can you recognize the melody? Yes, but it sounds very different, right? That's the point. For theme and variations, we need to achieve a fine balance between unity and contrast. If you can do that, your variation is successful. Congratulations.